Today, I want to show you guys how you can know whether someone is tracking your phone calls. And by the way, tracking phone call is not only done by security agency, do you know that? Most of the time there is some other tracking that can be done. By today basically I want to show you how someone can track your phone so as long as they can have access to it at any time. So let's say for example your partner, your parents, even for some people who want to use it by wrong purpose can track your phone. So now make sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end, because I'm going to explain the details procedure of how you can know that they are tracking your phone and what can you do to cancel that. Make sure that you hit subscribe button and you liked video, so that you can watch the next video easily. So if someone want to track your phone, what will they do? Before we can proceed we have to know how we can check whether our phone call are being tracked. Someone want to track your phone, simply hold it and dial a simple code that will direct your call to their number. In case you are busy with doing some other things, dialing this code. Let we assume that this is my girlfriend's phone. I put in my number, then press hashtag and OK. So means if she received a call it will directly come to mine. You can see call forwarding registration was successful. So how then can we check if our phone calls has been tracked? Now I'm going to show you easy way to check it. You have to take your phone and go to the dial, put in asterisk comma hashtag 62 hashtag. So you click OK. It will take some few moments to give you your answer. So let's get to our point. How can you stop them from tracking your phone call? Back to dial, press double hashtag then 002 hash. So guys, this was for today, hope was helpful. Thank you for watching till the end. Make subscribe, like, and comment. See you to the next video.